Top 10 foods to improve female egg quality. Healthy egg in a woman's ovaries determine the regularity of her menstrual cycle, fertility in the future, and her ability to conceive. How does a woman ensure that her eggs are healthy? There is a wide variety of factors to influence the quality and health of the egg produced. Simple lifestyle changes, planned nutrition, and healthy diet could improve the quality of eggs or also increase the chances of getting pregnant. Several factors determine the impact of the ovaries and eggs produced. Healthy fertility is based on environmental factors, hormones, stress, healthy menstrual cycle, circulation, and diet. Fertility diet to improve egg quality in ovaries. Trying to conceive? Stitching a healthy and balanced diet will improve your fertility. Here is a list of some tasty foods that will boost the health of your ovaries and eggs. Number 1. Avocados. A superfood, the high fat content in avocados help in improve egg health. Avocados are high in monosaturated fats, a good fat needed by the body, which help in maintaining good reproductive health. They can be used in sandwich, salads, or even made into a dip or a separate. Number 2. Beans and lentils. The lack of the iron in your body can lead to problem with ovulation. Beans and lentils are a rich source of iron and other vitamins and minerals vital of fertility. It is important to include one portion of beans and lentils in your diet every day. Include lentils in your dal, rice dishes, salads, or even stews and casseroles. Number 3. Nuts and dry fruit. Dried fruit and nuts are great source of protein, vitamin, and minerals. Brazil nuts especially are high in selenium and minerals, a mineral that abates chromosomal damage in egg. Selenium is an antioxidant that keeps the free radical at bay and allow better egg production. Top your salad with some Brazil nuts or simply have a handful for your breakfast or a snack. Number 4. Sesame seeds. These seeds are high in zinc and help with production of hormones responsible for optimum egg health. Sesame seeds are rich in monosaturated fats. Help yourself to some seeds from a jar of mixed seeds and nuts. Hummus contains thiamine, so including hummus in your diet is a great way to boost egg health. Sesame seeds can also be added to kales and salads if you don't want to eat them as is. Number 5. Berries. Berries have strong antioxidant properties that protect eggs from free radicals and offer protection against numbers of conditions. They can be had on their own or whipped into a smoothie or fruit salad. It is advised to eat at least 3 portions of berries every week. Number 6. Green leaf vegetables. Spinach, kale, and other leafy vegetables are high in folate, iron, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin A. Include at least 2 portions of green vegetable in your diet every day. Add them to your salad, curries, or even make smoothies out of them. Fulfill your daily requirement. Number 7. Ginger. Another superfood. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that increase blood circulation and promote healthy digestion. This helps to alleviate any discomfort in the reproductive system, regularize healthy cycles, and reduce inflammation of reproductive organs. One of the best ways to include ginger in your diet is to drink some ginger-infused tea. An important ingredient in an Asian food, ginger can be added to your salad or curries as well. Number 8. Maca root. A root which is wondrous herb contains 31 different minerals and 60 phytonutrients used widely by tribes in the Andes. It is believed to increase sperm and egg health. It stabilizes the hormonal imbalance and also increases libido. The product can be consumed in ether powder or capsule form. Maca root powder can be added to smoothies or even used to make chocolate truffles. Number 9. Cinnamon. Another super spice, cinnamon is known to improve the ovary function and encourage proper egg production by stimulating insulin resistance. Women diagnosed with polycyclic ovarian syndrome (PCOS) are advised to add cinnamon to their diet. A quarter teaspoon of cinnamon consumed on an everyday basis, either in curries, cereals, or even raw, could do wonder for your reproductive health. Try topping to your toast with some cinnamon powder for tasty breakfast. Number 10. Water. Not a technical food, but water is an essential ingredient for egg health as well. Aim at drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Stick up purified water and avoid drinking water from plastic bottles. Chemicals from plastic bottles could have negative impact on the health of egg produced.